Okay, contour integral. First of all, the definition of a contour integral. Definition of a contour integral. If f of z is a function of a, if f of z is a function of a complex variable, is a function of a complex variable z, which is defined on a given arc or curve C in the complex plane, then the complex plane then the complex line integral on a closed arc. This will be closed arc or curve C in the complex plane, then the complex line integral like this, f of z dz, closed curve C is called contour integral. Contour integral. Here, if z equals to x plus iy and f of z equals to what will be? U plus ib, and u are the function of xy and b also function of xy. Then dz can be written as dx plus I dy. Okay. In that case, the contour integral of f of z can be written as f of z equals to u plus ib dot f of z dx plus I dy. And this can be written as u into dx, u into dx minus b into dy, real part, and imaginary part will be this b dx plus u dy. So the contour integral can be written as like this. Now example, first example, evaluate the complex contour integration f of z dz, where f of z is the closed curve y minus x minus I 3x square from z equals to 0 to z equals to 1 plus I along the path from 0 to a point 10 and b point 11. Okay, we can draw this. Suppose this is the x-axis, y-axis. This is the 0 0 point and a point 1 0, and this is the B point. Okay, this is the real axis and this is the imaginary axis. So this curve will be what? Y equals to x. Since slope is what? M equals to tan theta, for y equals to mx. Curve M equals to here what? For tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equals to 1. This is why y equals to x. Now, first of all, we have to take along the path way. This is the way, and then along the path AB. So the solution, given curve equals to y minus x minus I 3 x square. Okay, this is the given curve. So you have to find the contour integration along the path C, f of z dz. What will be integration along the path C? This C along the path what? Way. Dz plus along another path AB. Then we get the total integration. Now for the first case, suppose this is equation number 1. Now for the first case, case 1, along way what? Y equals to 0, right? Along way y equals to 0. So z equals to what was? X plus iy, but y equals to 0. So z equals to what? X. And dz equals to what will be? Dx. Dz equals to dx. Therefore, f of z becomes y means what? Y equals to 0. 0 minus x minus I 3x square. That means minus x minus I 3x square. So f of z becomes this one. Therefore, contour integration along way f of z dz what will be? Along the curve way, limit of f of z equals to what? Minus x minus I 3x square, and dz equals to what? Dx. Okay. Now x limit along way what? 0 to 1, right? 0 to 1. So this integration what will be? Minus x square by 2 minus I 3. This will be x cube by 3, and limit will be up, lower limit 0, upper limit 1. So from this line we can write x, if x equals to 1, we get minus half minus 3 cancelled, only I, right? Minus half minus I, and then minus 0, lower limit, if we put 0, all will be 0. Similarly for case 2, along what? Along AB. Along AB, x equals to what? 1. Okay, this is the parallel to y-axis, the equation of parallel to y-axis. That means x equals to 1. Equation of AB, x equals to what? 1. Then z equals to what will be? z equals to x plus iy will become 1 plus iy. So dz equals to what will be? Dz equals to 1 will be 0 I dy. Okay. Then f of z becomes, this given function becomes x equals to 1. So y minus 1 minus i3, 3i. Okay. X equals to 1, 1 square means 1. Therefore, the contour integration along AB, f of z dz, what will be? F of z value y minus 1 minus 3i, and dz value what? I dy. So y value from A to B what? Y varies from 0 to 1. Ordinate 0 to 1. So this is the simple integration with respect to y. So this integration what will be? Y square by 2 minus y minus thrice I y. Now lower limit 0, upper limit 1. So putting y equals to 1, upper limit we get minus half minus 1 minus thrice y. So putting lower limit we get whole 0. Hence the total integration what? Total integration will be therefore hence from equation 1, sorry, there will be I multiplied, okay, I multiplied from equation total integration what will be? Contour integration along web and OB. This equals to what will be this value? Putting these values what? Minus half minus I. Putting second values I into half minus 1 minus thrice I. So we get minus half minus I plus I by 2 minus I minus thrice I square. I square means what? Minus 1, right? So minus half minus twice I plus 3. 3 minus half what? 3 minus half 5 by 2 plus I by 2 plus thrice I. Try only 3. I square equals to minus 1. So 5 by 2 here minus thrice I divided by 2. So we get 5 minus thrice I divided by what? 2. This is the result, total integral value. Okay, now similarly, second part, along y equals to x. That means along y equals to, that means along OB. So along OB, we can find the contour integration. So along y equals to x, along y equals to x, f of z, z will be transformed to z equals to x plus I y, can be written as z equals to what? X plus I x. That means what will be? 1 plus I into x, right? And dz becomes, dz equals to what will be from here? 1 plus I dx. And function difference, function will be becomes, and f of z y equals to x, x minus I 3 x square. So x will be cancelled. So we get minus I 3 x square. F of z becomes what? Minus I 3 x
X
square.
square.
Therefore, the contour integration along what? The curve y equals to x, f of z dz, just changed, functional changed value what? Functional changed value minus I 3 x square. And dz equals to what was? 1 plus I dx. Okay. Now limit will be what? Limit will be 0 to 1. X value uh, 0 here, and x value what? 1 at b point. So 0 to 1. Now this can be find by just multiplying minus I minus I minus I square. This is the 0 to 1 x square dx. So 3 minus I square means what? Minus 1. So plus 1. And here x cube by 3. Upper lower limit 0, upper limit 1. So we get what? 3 minus I plus 1. Here only 1 by 3. 3 cancelled, minus I plus 1. That means 1 minus I is the required integral along y equals to x. That means along OB. Same. This is the second part. Now another example 2. Evaluate contour integration z square dz where c is the closed curve or arc from a point 1 to b point 24 along first one y equals to x square and second one y equals to thrice x minus 2. Now if we draw the curve y equals to x square like this, suppose this is the y equals to x square curve. This is the real axis x and this is the imaginary axis y, and this is the origin 0 0. Suppose a point is 1 1. Here a point 1 1, a point 1 1. This is the curve. Another point, suppose b 2 4 point. Okay, this is the 1 1, and here this point will be 1 0. Okay, this point will be 2 0. Okay, this point, and this curve y equals to what? X square curve. And this line This line will be x equals to 1, and this line will be what? X equals to 2, parallel to y-axis, and this also parallel to y-axis, x equals to 1. So we are given f of z equals to what? Z square. Okay, f of z equals to z square. So integration of z square dz along the curve, this can be written as z equals to x plus iy, and dz equals to what? Dx plus I dy, right? So after this line, we can write dz equals to what will be x. Sorry, this will be whole square because z square, and this become what? X plus x square plus twice I x y plus I square y square. So this can be written as I square means minus 1. Okay, so we get x square minus y square as the real part, x square minus y square as the real part, and another one is twice I x y. Okay, the changed integration will be this integral of z dz. This is equation number 1. Now along y equals to x square, first one, along y equals to x square, dy what will be? Dy what will be? Twice x dx, and dz equals to what? Dx plus I dy. So from here, this equals to what will be? Dz equals to dx plus dy means what? Twice x dx I. So we get 1 plus I, 1 plus twice I x dx. Along this curve, the changed value of dz, this. So the contour integration will be z square dz what will be? Along the curve y equals to x square. Along the curve y equals to x square, from a to b, x value what changes? 1 to 2. Okay, x value changes from 1 to 2. So integral value will be 1 to 2, and we have to put y equals to x square here. So this will be x square minus y equals to x square. So this become x to the power 4 plus twice I into x, y equals to x square, and dz value changes to dz what? Dz equals to, this equals to what? This equals to 1 plus twice I x dx. All variable changes to dx. integral limit 1 to 2, this multiply this 1 into this plus twice I x cube. Now twice ix multiply ix square minus x4 plus I 1 to 2 x4 twice ix twice I 4i square. 4i square means what? Minus 4 x to the power 4 minus 4 x to the power 4. Then imaginary part will be this one twice x cube twice x cube minus twice x 5. So integral limit will be 1 to 2 x square 5. This will be 4x cube 2x5 dx. Now easy integration. This will be what? 1 to 2 x cube by 3 5 x5 divided by 5 after integration plus I 4x4 divided by 4 minus 2x to the power 6 divided by 6. Now limit will be what? 1 to 2. After this line, putting upper limit, we get 1 by 3 minus 2 cube by 8. This will be 2 cube by 3 minus 5 cancel 2 to the power 5. Okay, plus I into 4 cancel 2 to the power 4 minus 2 and 6. So 2 to the power 6 divided by 3 minus putting lower limit 1 by 3 minus 1 to the power 6 plus I into 1 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 6 by 3. So after calculation we get this is the only 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, and 2 to the power 5 means 32. This is the 8 by 3. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 what? 7 by 3. And 32 minus minus plus plus 1 31. Okay, and all are imaginary part. Imaginary part will be 15 minus 21. 2 to the power 4 means what? 14. Okay, 14 minus 1 what? Sorry, 16 minus 1 15. 15 and 2 to the power 6 by 3. 2 to the power 6 means what? 64. 64 by 3, that means 60 plus 1, 65. That means we get 21. This is the result. That means we get after simplification 86 by 3. 86 by 3 plus 6i. This is the result. Okay, now for the second part, y equals to thrice x minus 2. Y equals to thrice x minus 2 graph will be what? This. Okay, and a point will be 1, 1 and b point 2, 4. So we have to again integrate along the curve what? Y equals to thrice x minus 2. This is the second part. So dy what will be? Dy 3 into dx. Okay, minus 2 will be 0 differentiation. Similarly, dz will be changed. Dx equals to dx and dy equals to 3 3i dx. That means we get dx will be common, 1 plus thrice I dx. So along this curve from A to B, A point 1, 1, that means 1, 0 point along real axis. Along real axis and 1, 1, 0, and this is the x equals to 1 parallel to y axis, and x equals to 2. This point will be 2, 0. X equals to 2 means what? Parallel to, same parallel to y axis, equation of parallel to y axis. So A to B means what? X varies from 1 to 2. That means the function will be changed like this. Integral limit will be 1 to 2, and z value what? Z value will be, f of z will be changed. F of z value what? F of z value z square. F of z value, first of all, f of z will be changed this f of z value. Okay, this whole. So just putting y equals to this, we get y equals to this here, we get the integration. So z square dz, what will be? Integral limit will be 1 to 2. From A to B means what? X changes 1 to 2. Now x square minus y means what? Thrice x minus 2 whole square here, plus twice I x y equals to what? Thrice x minus 2. Thrice x minus 2, third bracket, and dx plus dz equals to what? Dx plus dy equals to 1 plus thrice I dx. So all variable becomes x, just because we have put it what? Y equals to thrice x minus 2. Now this is a simple integration, just a minus b whole square formula. To break this formula, 1 to 2 x square minus what will be 9x square minus 12x plus 4 plus I into what will be 6x square minus 4x. Okay, so 1 into this whole, this again multiply with what, 3 thrice I into this, plus thrice I x square minus this is the third bracket, 1 plus thrice I into dx. So 1 to 2 minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4 plus I into 6x square minus 4x. 1 into this, okay, this plus thrice I into this full. Okay, then dx. Dx minus 8x square, here minus 8x square, and I square, I multiply I square will be minus, minus 18x square. Okay, minus 18x square and minus 8x square. How many x square will be? Now just integrating with respect to x. This will be homework for you. Need to do. এটাকে জিলি ইন্টিগ্রেশন করা যাবে?
পারবো স্যার।
So after this line, we can this will be, there will be dx. After this line, 1 to 2, sorry, 1 to 2 not, minus 26 x square integration, what will be x cube by 3, 24 x square by 2 plus 4x plus I integration minus 18 x square integration, what, x cube by 3 plus 32 x integration x square by 2 plus 12 1 integration x. So limit will be 1 to 2. Now putting upper limit 26, 2 cube by 8, that means 8 by 3 plus 12 4 plus 4 into 2 plus I will be minus 18 into 2 cube 8 by 3 plus 16 into 4 plus 12 into 2. This after putting x equals to what, 2. Now putting lower limit, putting x equals to 1 in the whole function of x. 26 into 1 cube by 3 plus 12 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus I into minus 18 1 cube by 3 plus 16 32 by 2 what 16 into 1 square plus 12 into 1. Okay, then third bracket. Now this means what will be the value of this? What will be the value of this? This value minus 26 minus 26 minus 26 will be common, so 8 by 3 minus minus plus 1 by 3, what will be? Nine by 3, that means only 3 into 26 what? 3 into 26
78, sir.
78. Okay, this result will be minus 86 by 3 plus 6i. This will be the total of this integration. This part will be homework, just addition. This plus this, then this plus this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we get after this line without multiplying 1 plus 3i2 this, we can proceed 1 to 2. This will be what? Minus 8x square, right? Minus 8x square plus 12x plus 4 plus I into what? 6x square minus 4x. So this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Okay, 1 plus thrice I into dx. Now after this integration, we can write this is the constant. Okay, 1 plus thrice I is the constant. Now integrating with respect to x, here we get what? 8 minus 8 x cube by 3, right? X square integration x cube by 3 plus 12 x integration what? X square by 2 plus 1 integration what? X plus I into 6 x square integration what? X cube by 3 minus 4 into x square by 2. Limit will be what? 1 to 2. Understand everybody? This equals to 1 plus thrice I. Now putting upper limit, that means x equals to 2 minus 8 into 2 cube by 3 plus 12 into 2 square by 2 plus 4 into 2 plus I into 6 into 2 cube by 3 minus 2 square by 2. This is by putting x equals to 2. Now minus putting x equals to 1 minus 8 into 1 cube by 3 plus 12 into 1 square by 2 plus 4 into 1 plus I 6 into 1 cube by 3 4 into 1 square by 2. Okay. This equals to 1 plus thrice I 8 minus 8 by 3. Okay, minus 8 by 3. Here minus 8 by 3, here minus 8 by 3 common. So we get 2 cube minus what? 1 cube, right? Just common. Similarly, 12 by 2 means what? 6. 6. So here 6 common, we get 2 square minus 1 square. Similarly, 8 minus 4, what will be? Here 4 common, 2 minus 1. Now, I common, here 6 by 3. 6 by 3 means what? 2, right? So 2 common, 2 cube minus 1 cube. Minus 4 common, 4 by 2 means what? 2. 2 common, 2 square minus 1 square. Now this means what? 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, 7. 7, 8 multiply what? 56. Right? Plus this 4 minus 1 means 3. 18. Plus 4 in 4. This is the real part. And imaginary part will be what? 8 minus 1, 7. 7 to what? 14. And this 3 into 2, 6. Now this equals to 1 plus thrice I. This means 3 will be LCM. 3 will be what? LCM. Minus 56. 3 multiply 18 what? 54 plus 4. Sorry. 12. This will be what? 8I. Now minus 56 plus 54 plus 12, what will be? Minus 14 maybe.
जी सर.
Minus 14 by 3.
सर 10 মনে হচ্ছে না, 10 by 3.
দেখো তো এখানে
স্যার 10 by 3 মনে হচ্ছে স্যার.
এটা -4 ছিল, এটা -4। ঠিক আছে, এটা -4 হবে, -4x ছিল এটা, এটা -4x ছিল, দেখো ভালো করে। Okay, so this will be -12, so -14 by 3 -14 by 3 plus 8i, this multiply 1 multiply this minus 14/3 plus 8i plus 3i multiply. Okay, then 3i 3 cancel minus 14i, then 24 plus 24 I square. Okay, I square. So this become real. So we get 24 minus 24 minus 14/3 minus what will be 6i. So this become what will be 86/3. Okay, this will be result. Okay, Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye.